What is going on? Welcome back to another Cut Loose video. Today I'd like to introduce myself. I am Gaz. This is our channel, this is our unit, and if you're new here, welcome. If you like what you see, subscribe, and if you get any useful tips, don't forget to like. Stay hard, get it done. Anyway, I have been having some oil leak issues on the Civic. Yes, I have a Civic, a D16, Z6, D16, you know, turbo. And yesterday, I decided to investigate my oil leak. It was running down here onto the gearbox. You can maybe see it there. So I redid the cam seal, took the cam cover off, cleaned everything off, resealed it, and then I also took the dizzy off. So I put that there. And today I went down to Bulldog Car Spares in Great Bridge, who I usually go to for bits, and I got ourselves a new O-ring. Now here's the old one. Took it off, it broke, so I did some research and I found out this seal here is a 33mm or 1.3 inch if you're American seal. It protrudes, come on, concentrate, come on, there it is. As you can see, the seal, it just about protrudes, so when it sits in, it's going to create a nice seal. Hopefully we'll stop the oil leaking. It's only 3 bolted, how difficult, 12s, wiggle it around, put it off. We'll just put it back together. I'm going to do it now. So I'm going to clean the oil off because there's a bit of oil spillage. Cheers for the drink, Grant. And then we'll get it on. The only thing I can see being a pain is them 2 pins. Come on, concentrate on the pins. Don't worry about it. So there's 2 pins there. This sits like this. And it plugs in there. And there's the bolts. So you just have to line the 2 pins up. I've got a mark here that shows me my timing, so I'll put that exactly where it should be, around about there. Then the 3 12s, one here, and one at the back. 2 plugs, and then hopefully we're back in action, because that would be nice, wouldn't it? Yep, it would. No more oil leaks. We got all that plumb back in. All of that's back on. The dizzy plugs are in. All the leads are on. Battery's on. Let's see if it starts. Because if it doesn't, I have no idea. Whiz, that means I didn't change the timing and everything's good. Better with them red seats in. Ooh. I'm going to open the doors and then I'm going to get some ventilation around this place. Ooh. Smoke free. Nice little task. To be fair, we ain't going to really tell that that's not leaking until we take it out and give it a good beating, you know what I mean? But that's it for the Civic now, really. I need to potentially do the valve stem seals. I might look into that. I'm not sure yet, but we've got too much stuff to do on the S15 still. I might get into it today. What am I even on about? I've got a fill of these. Fiberglassed it all now. So it's time to get the filler out and I can mix up. And get on me filling them for Jordan. Jeez. Woo. So now what I've done, I've cut the bottom bits off here and here because these were damaged anyway. Plus they're under the skirt, so it don't actually make a difference. I've took all the high spots down from the repairs. All of these areas I need to key into. I've done it with a 80 grit sandpaper, and we're probably ready for some filler now. So I'm going to knock a mix of filler up. Just got to get a filler card. This is covered in dust, so I'm going to put you in the bag, and I'll see you when we got the filler on.
Not ready?
Alright mate.
No.
We're watching you eat now. Oh, how about that for action? On. Clap, clap. Look at that for power. Power! So that's it. All the filler work is done for our mate Jordan. It's not a proper job, it's just to fill the holes out because there was way too many. There was a bit of damage on this corner, a bit of damage in the middle. But I will resolve that when we get the DA out. I need to get some more 80 grit sandpaper. So that's your job, Jordan, to go and get me some. Cheers, mate. It's your car. But yeah, just took the Civic out for a quick run to get some food, and we are not leaking oil by the looks of it, and that's about it. So sound. See you in a bit. Okay, oh, what's going on here, Mush? Sort yourself out. So all of that's done for now. We'll leave it till tomorrow. But we decided. Sorry, mate.
Well, mate.
We made a logo for our press t-shirts. How about that? See, I'm not that thick, am I? Maybe a little bit. He loves it. Get it to 10 paid, boys. Spray this little baby. Tight, yeah. Just a little bit of heat. No, this is a two-handed job. Yeah, I'm in my. Can I just scratch it? Get the angles, Mush. Look at that. Get the Kevlar on it. Can't tell them the secret sauce. Can't tell them, mate. Otherwise everyone will be doing it. Woo! At least lay upside down. Pull back the front. Look at that, Mush. Yeah, it's not exactly in the middle. Well, hey, it's custom made there. Looks right from my house. You can't see it on your back, can you? And this one. So usually I do them in a 300 by like 180 ratio, something like that. But what happened with that one was I didn't press enter. My fault. I just put in 300 and then pressed somewhere else, and it went wrong, so it come out like 100mm or whatever that is. But what I've decided to do is sacrifice another t-shirt, because this is all learning, you know what I mean? I'm learning the times, I'm learning the press, I'm learning the material, learning everything, because literally I have no idea. But I've decided with this one, I'm just going to put a nice little logo at the top here. And then going to have the traditional Cutloose logo on the front, which is like this side. And then we've not wasted any material. This one I kind of messed up as well, because as you can see, there is no E. But as you can see, there's no E. Shut up. I'm gonna preheat the tea. Then up we go. Lay it on top. Where's me Teflon sheet? Then, oh shebang. Oh yeah. This gets really hot. Get that. It's actually some light on it. It's actually quite nice, that is. But I'm not gonna lie. I'm not making another one, because that was a pain in the arse to do with. But you know what? We've got a few t-shirts for me, Grant, a few of the boys. Big up Josh for just buying one. Sleepy's having one. And then hopefully once we get some feedback on how they wash and how they wear, we'll get some for sale. Love it. But I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and that's it for me today. Catch you all next time. Not today, I'm not recording anything else. Nope, I'm just gonna chill. See you in a bit.